Hi. Oh, are you meowing? Are you meowing? Yeah? Who's that? Where's Dada? Can you pull his hair? Can you pull his hair? Can you reach? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Get him. Get Dada. Can you do it? Oh. Can you get him? Oh. Oh. Bumpy, did you pull the hair? Uh-oh. Oh. What are you guys doing? Bumper, tell Dad to get off your cart. Say, Dad, that's my DJ station. Are you playing DJ, Bumper? Hi, Bumpy Doo. Bumper. Hey. What are you doing? Are you out of here? Or no, you're gonna... Where are you going? You gonna go do some laps? Do some laps? Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. 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 How about this? You're gonna do your tongue? Can you do that? Stick your tongue out at me. You're doing it all day long. No. No? Oh! Moo! Meow! Woof! Woof! Bumper, what's the dog you say? What's the dog you say? Woof! What's the dog you say? Woof! Oh, was that a kitty? Was that a kitty? Did you say meow? Meow. Where are you going? Uh-oh. Make to do some... Whoa. Make to do some laps?
Crashed already.
You go do some laps, Bumpy? Woohoo! Ah! Bumper, go do some laps. Go do some laps. Go exercise. There he goes, people. Goodbye, Bumper! That's Bumper at 7.5 months old.